guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing this blue look. If you guys like this look, please keep on watching. Today I will be creating a blue look using the jamescharlespalette. My phone just fell. Today I will be creating a blue eye look using the jamescharlespalette. I will also be doing a giveaway soon for the jamescharlespalette, so please stay tuned for that. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, because one of the requirements will be for you to be subscribed to me. I'll be doing this giveaway soon, very soon. I don't know when yet, but I want to add on some stuff. I have already applied my primer, foundation, and concealer. I use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Primer and the soft matte foundation and the concealer that just came out by Fenty Beauty. So I just did a review for the Fenty Beauty concealer, primer, and foundation, so go check that out. I also have a Fenty Beauty lipstick on. This is the Snow Nights No Chill lipstick. Okay, so first I'm going to be starting off with Brother. I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this. We will apply Brother all over our lid. We're also going to apply it in our crease line and also a little bit above it, blending it out very nicely. We're going to do it one more time here. Now we're going to take Cola, which is a dark blue, with a flat brush like this. And I'm going to apply Cola on my outer corner in that V. And I'm going to make a little wing. And I'm going to attach it to under my brow bone. Do not go above it or on it, just under it. And then blend that in. Okay, I'm going to apply Cola one more time in the corner. As well, a little bit in the wing. And bring it into the eye a little bit. Now I'm going to go back in with the Brother, which was this blue. And I'm going to blend that out and apply it right on my crease. And blend Cola out. Now I'm going to take Acapela, which is this sparkly blue, and we're going to apply that right in the middle of our lid. Now take it to your inner corner a little bit. Now I'm going to go back in with Brother and blend everything out. I'm going to apply some more Acapela right in the middle of the eye. Now I'm going to take a flat brush like this and I'm going to get more Acapela, which was the sparkly blue, and apply that under my eye. And now with a small fluffy brush, I'm going to take Hello, which is the icy blue, apply that in the inner corner of my eye, right here. Okay, now I'm going to clean off the extra fallout. I will be using the Beauty Evolved black eyeliner. I'm going to apply that on my upper lash line as well as my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be applying the matte liquid liner. And I'm going to try to make this one thin and then stretch out that liner if I can. I don't know. I'm going to be using the Lancôme Big is the New Black mascara. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and apply more of the foundation because I wiped away a lot of it. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. And now I'm going to be applying the concealer. They're both in the shade 220. Now I'll be using the Urban Decay Naked Shapeshifter contour. I'll be using the darkest color there is. I'm going to apply the contour under my cheekbones, outside my nose, under my jawline, and on my forehead. Now I will be using the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. I'm going to apply that under my eye, down my nose, under my cheekbone, on my chin zone, and also on my forehead a little bit. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and fix my eyebrows. I'm using the Morphe Arch Obsession Kit. I've already done my eyebrows, but I'm just going to fill it in a little bit more. Now I'm going to apply the Morphe Brow Concealer. Blend it out. Now I'm going to be using the Laura Geller Blush and Brighten, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks. Now I'll be using the Urban Decay Afterglow. I'll be using No Angel on my cheekbones, on my nose, right on the tip, down my nose, above my lip, under my eyebrows. I'm going to apply some more of No Chill lipstick by Fenty Beauty. It's this amazing blue. Alright guys, so this is it. This is my finishing look. I hope you guys like it. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to me and leave a big thumbs up. Leave some comments down below of anything else you would like to see, like makeup review or a makeup look. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. See you next time.